You're welcome to Olusegun Maths Clinic, where we used to solve equation with step by step. We are hereby to solve this equation 3 plus 2y minus 24 is equal to 14 minus 3y. In solving this equation, we have to consider many factors that reason to this solving of this equation. Number one, which is how to collect the like terms of an equation. You must know how to do that. You must know how to collect the like terms and how to simplify it in a very easy way. So these are the steps that we want to solve today. You see that these are 3 and minus 24, they are still in the same place, but what you are firstly going to do is that you will rearrange it. So when you rearrange this and this, you don't need to rearrange this. So let's start solving. Let's start solving. Yes. So now, in solving this equation, let's rearrange this. We have 2y. There's a plus 3 here. It is silent. The plus 3 here, it used to be silent. Plus 3 minus 24, because you are not changing it, is equal to 14 minus 3y. So let's add plus 3 and minus 24 together. We have 2y. 2y, this will give you minus 21 is equal to 14 minus 3y. So the first thing you are going to do is that you will collect the like terms. But before collecting the like terms, there's some factors that you must put in place. The first thing you must do is that these 3, you bring it here. But what is the formula to use? Let's add plus 3y to both sides. So adding plus 3y to both sides, we have 2y minus 221 plus 3y is equal to 14 minus 3y. So in view of this equation, most important thing is that, so let's now try to rearrange this. Sorry, we have to add 3 to both sides. So here we also have plus 3y. So now we have this. So what I want to achieve is that here plus 3y minus 3y plus 3y, these two things will turn to 0. That is what I want to achieve. So I will now rearrange this to have 2y plus 3y minus 21 is equal to 14. So because this has turned to 0, not that it cancels, it only turned to 0. So we have 5y minus 21 is equal to 14. So this is what I want to achieve. So here also, you said you had 21 plus 21 to both sides, plus 21 to both sides of the equation. So the moment you add to the both sides of the equation, you observe something similar to what I've done the other time, to have 5y minus 21 plus 21 is equal to 14 plus 21. So for seeing this, so the same thing applicable to what I did the other time, that this will also turn to 0. So the moment it turned to 0, you now have, so you see that it has turned to 0. So we now have 5y plus 0 is equal to, so 14 plus 21, 1 plus we have 5, 2 plus 1 we have 3. So we have 5y is equal to 35. So this is exactly where we are going to. This is what we need. So here also, for getting the value of y, so what you need to do is, let's divide both sides. Let's divide both sides by 5. So in dividing both sides by 5, we have 5y divided by 5 is equal to 35 divided by 5. So this is the real values of the equation. So now in dividing, here 1, here, so y is equal to, this we cancel this, is equal to 7. So this is just the value of y. So, but you can still do something to cross-check your answer, because the question says that 3 plus 2y minus 24 is equal to 4 minus 3y. So let's try to put the value of y in it. We have 3 plus 2 onto 7 minus 24. We want to know maybe it will be the same onto 3 onto 7. So we have 3 plus 14 minus 24 is equal to 14 minus 21. Let's see. So let's see, 14 minus 24 plus 3 is equal to 14 minus 21. So in adding the 14 and 21, you see that it should be 14 minus 21 is equal to 14 minus 21. So this shows to us that the value of y is correct in this equation. So please don't forget to post this video, because it explains equation in step by step for a very elementary student to understand and also to gain. My name remains the same, Olusegun Adelekun, in Olusegun Maths Clinic. We are in both YouTube and Facebook. Thanks for watching this video.